Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna just be showing y'all how to apply false eyelashes. Some people already know how. You ain't gotta watch it if you know how. Some people don't. But when I first started putting on lashes, all I used to do was watch YouTube videos. So I just thought this would be a good YouTube video to show some people how to put lashes on. But I don't know why it's like this, but oh well. But first you would need lashes, tweezers, and your hair glue. I use hair glue. Some people might use other glue, but I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows too, just because I look pale with nothing on. But okay, the longer end always, let me show you. The longer end always go on this side of your eye, and the shorter end go on this side, because you don't want the longer side on this side, because it'll be irritating, like in the corner over here. And you always gotta wipe your eyes out. I just got out the shower. I tried to put on the lash and it didn't work all right. There's all this little black glue still on here, and then you can always just pull it off. It's not hard to pull it off. And you always, if you reusing a pair of lashes, take the glue off of what you already used, so I won't be looking all caked up. But this is how I do it. I get the tweezers, and then I open the glue, and then I stick the tweezers inside of the glue. You don't want to put too much on there. You don't need a lot. Mine's kind of empty though, that's why. And then you need about like this much, and then just put it on like this part. And you don't need too much of it. I'm gonna put a little more. And some people might do theirs different. The only thing I can't do is like put it on with my finger. But it's so hard. I just know how to do it with the tweezers, but you should have like this much on, not too much. And then you always want to make sure your tweezers is clean before you even put it on your eye. And then you just line it up with like that part of your eye. Put it on. And should be good. Sometimes I still, like if I mess up and do it, you always gonna have to like retry. Not always, but okay, there you go. These are long. I didn't know they was gonna be this long, but I guess it's still okay. And then I forgot to show y'all how I pinch it. I'll show y'all on the next lash for the other eye. These are, I don't think I like these, but I guess it'll work. And then you just want to pinch them down to make them look like they going upward instead of like flat out like that. I hate lashes like that. Just pinch them. These are really long. I didn't know it was gonna be like this, but thank you. And then if you have like when you put the lash on, sometimes it might be glue, like you see that right there. All you gotta do is push it down with your tweezers. Not too hard, because the lash will come off. Just keep pushing like that till you don't see it no more. And there you go. But I'm gonna do the other lash. These are long. Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all what I forgot to tell y'all, and then you see how this lash will match, the longer end will match up with this side. I probably gotta take this, flip it over here. Nope, it ain't gonna work. So I'm just have to do it like this. And then, wait, first I pinched the other one down, but I forgot to show that. All you gotta do is not too hard, just pinch. I do my eyebrows. Well, I don't got my eyebrow brush with me, but let me take this off. Then I might fix my hair and stuff too. Just because, let me see. I don't really like my hair that much too. I need a ponytail. I mean, scrunchy, bow, whatever. Okay, my brows is real light. I use this. I got this from the beauty supplies, like $3. They got different colors. I don't know why. Cause I've never seen nobody with different eyebrows. But first, you dip the brush in there. I use this one. I don't really use that one. But then I do like this. And then I start from the end. Then I use this part, like going this way. Just do like that. Oh, this hotter doing it. Let me wipe that off. I messed up. This hotter doing it in the camera than in the mirror. Maybe I should have had a mirror right here. Yeah, like that. And then you basically just tracing your real eyebrows. Then this part, you need to do it like inward. Like that. You can wipe some off so it can be like the little fade looking part. Okay, there we go. And then you just do it again. And this is called Brow Beauty. This way. Sometimes I blow it too, so it won't be too much. This is harder doing it this way. I don't see how people do makeup and cameras. See, I might need a mirror. Okay, it's working a little. This one look way lighter. I don't know why, but oh no, don't. When I come close up, we didn't just do it inward. No, I need to start learn how to do makeup. I never really wore makeup. I always wanted to. I need a mirror. Okay, this one look retarded, but that's how I do it. And I might fix my hair up a little too. Why does one look dark? Let me see. Okay, and in person, I don't look like that. Like this one look way lighter than this one. Okay, but I'm about to just try to fix my hair. I did just get out the shower and I didn't even try. And I'm glad I got this hair. Just so I can just wet it and go. Sometimes not even do it. But I'm going to just use this water bottle I got from Amazon. Spray it on there. Start from the bottom. Go to the top. I needed like a detangler brush instead of this comb, I know. Hopefully it still work alright. Can just keep doing the same thing. And then I do got a hair review coming soon with this wig. People be thinking that it's the bundles and not even a wig. Next time I think I'm gonna get a long hair by the same company so I can do another hair review. I'm gonna do a hair review in like 2 weeks because I just got it done like yesterday or the day before yesterday. So I'm gonna do like a 2-week update hair review. I think I need a detangler brush because it's still. I should have brought my mousse up here, but it's still okay. Let me just do it again a little more. I got this wig from, it's this thing, this lady seller on Amazon, but she got it like a website on there. I'm gonna put probably the thing in here in the description, or I'm gonna do it in my next video. Yeah, I'm gonna do it in my next one for the hair review update, whatever you wanna call it. Even though I like getting this hair because I don't have to keep putting meat on it. Even though it's a weird girl closure. It be smelling like flat iron sometimes, and I ain't gonna want that. Okay. Just keep spraying. But then I wish I would have got it longer. I don't know why I got just a 14-inch. I need to buy the 10-year brush. Okay. Let me keep doing it. Hope I don't wipe off my eyebrows. Well, rinse them off. And I need to learn how to start doing makeup. Somebody need to teach me. I always wanted to learn how to do that, but never did. Okay, and this is the end of the video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do got a hair review coming up and some more clothing haul.